Is your PC lagging, running slow, or taking forever to boot up? Before you waste money on new hardware, change these 3 hidden Windows settings right now to double your PC speed in under 3 minutes. Hit that subscribe button for weekly tech hacks, and let's jump right into step 1. First, go into the Task Manager. Then click Startup. Now, click on the apps that you don't need your computer to waste resources starting up, and disable it by pressing the button in the bottom right-hand corner. Open Settings. Click on System. Then click on Storage. At the top you will see something called Configure Storage Sense. Click it and make sure it is on. This lets Windows automatically delete useless cache files that clog up your drive. Next, click Temporary Files, select the junk, and hit Remove Files. This frees up gigabytes of storage and stops drive throttling instantly. Next, open Control Center. Search for Power Plan and click the first option. If you have a desktop, you can select High Performance to make sure you always have the best FPS. If you are on laptop, I recommend keeping it on Balanced when you are out to preserve battery. I hope these tips helped you to speed up your PC. Subscribe to A Craze for the Blaze for weekly tech hacks.